how you like that. You gon' like that.
So this is fake hair extensions, just to repeat the style or hairstyle of Jenny, and it was quite difficult to do on camera, so I did that out of camera. So I'm taking my moisturizing cream. You can take any type of moisturizing cream you have. And this makeup, it's quite easy to do. It was so difficult to take the screenshot. So it's here. So I don't have gold necklace, so I put this type of necklace, the jean denim jacket, and let's go. It will be very easy, I guess. So it's quite nice look to go out somewhere. So for the foundation, I will take these Bourjois City Radiance. So, as you know, people in South Korea, they want to make faces look pale. So this foundation will give me more pale effect. Since my foundation is on, I'm taking this NYX palette. I'll take some powder, some ASMR vibes, and I will touch my face over here. I really in love to BLACKPINK. This is one of my favorite girls group because I don't know, all the time they're coming back. You should see that video. Every video of them is amazing. Started from cinematography, all the outfits, all the songs, all of them are so freaking gorgeous. I have no words to say. When I saw yesterday that, oh my gosh, what is this? When I saw yesterday How You Like That, I was so in shock. A lot of nice outfits, makeup styles and everything. So we are done. What we are doing next? I didn't notice that Jenny has anything like contouring or blush. I'll take this Sephora blush. Just maybe a little bit. Yeah, I will do it on my hands. Just to slightly tape it just a little bit to a little bit of blush effect. It's like normal Korean type makeup. People, women and girls, they like to wear a little bit of blush. Here of Jenny. You can see the brows, they're not too much outstanding. Just natural style. So I'll take a little bit just to define my brows. Let's go. These brows we received. I'll take some lip balm. This enriched lip essence by some Korean brand, I don't remember which one. Let's do eyeshadow. So it looked like blue-gray color, and I have color over here. I don't know the name from this palette, Makeup Revolution palette. So I'll put it all on my lid. I'll take this a blue colored. It's not too much dark blue. It's like more than dark sea wave color. You can feel like this. I will just put it at the corner and blend slightly. I'll take this mascara. You can use any mascara first. So now we will take lashes. I already like the way it is, but let's make the look more defined. I have a lot of Chinese lashes, so I can't tell exactly what type of lashes I'm using. So for the lipstick I'm planning to use such color, so let's see one more time. Yes, it's very good, like peachy color style. And what is attract my attention is that you can see it's like glitter above her upper lip. So we're gonna do of course the same. But I have like a bean. I will try to put the bean because actually I don't know where I put my glitters. So right now I'm in the glue river, so I have this small nice bean. So let's stick it on top. OMG, it's quite big, but it's shiny. It's coming out. If you will put some glitter, it will stick because it's too much heavy, so I will use it only here. But like if you want to go out, you can stick a glitter. I don't have at the moment glitter with me. I need to find it, so I'm using this bean. So it was my Janie inspired look. How you like that? Please support girls. This is very important. And like watch MV. It's gorgeous. So love you all. Don't forget to subscribe.